Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start now, power on the TV and the Binge device. You need both active to exchange signals. You must ensure the remote has fresh batteries and sits roughly 3 to 6 feet away. Line of sight helps. Once done, make sure the TV is set to the correct input and the Binge app or box is signed into your account. The model number helps select the right code. This avoids wasted pairing attempts and speeds the next steps. Now put the remote into pairing mode by holding Pair or Menu plus OK for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED blinks. This signals readiness. Then, navigate on the TV or in the Binge app to Settings, Remotes and Devices and choose Add Remote. This tells the system to look for new controllers. Once the TV scans, select the listed remote model or let it auto-scan. When you see an on-screen code, enter or confirm it to finish by testing power, volume, and navigation. Press each key and confirm the TV responds, then accept the on-screen confirmation to save the pairing. If buttons are unresponsive, reboot both devices. Remove power from the TV and take batteries out of the remote for 10 seconds, then retry. This clears temporary glitches. If problems persist, reattempt pairing, install any available firmware updates, replace batteries, or, as a last resort, perform the remote factory reset. This covers nearly all common failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.